So we are back at it again today here at A&R Restos. Gonna go pick up another truck that I have acquired over time and load it onto that rig right there. Right now we're on the process of grabbing some straps, spare tire, and doing what we can. Yeah, before we also throw the tires on the truck onto that trailer to put on.
Cool.
Yeah, that way.
That's the spare.
This one?
Yep.
Ugh. Old man noises.
That's right. So we got, what other tools you brought?
Got my impact to put the tires on with the socket. And that's it. Whew. Great car trailer.
Let's do it.
I'll meet you at the truck. Here's my truck. It's really my wife's, but she lets me borrow it. And load these tires on. We're good to go. Woo, wind's picking up. Storms are brewing. Gotta make this fast. Good on this side. You're good on that. How you looking on the other side? You're doing good. Come on in. Clear. Watch your corner. Yep. All right. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Can't wait to get this baby back home so I can pull that fuel tank out, put new brakes on it, get this thing fired up. It was a running truck when it parked 5 years ago. Needs new rear shocks, got new front shocks on it. All the lights work on the top. It's pretty wild. Then I gotta come back, pick up this thing. Needs a little work to get back on the road again. Notice this bracket's here. It's missing it on this side, so I gotta re-weld it back in place. Once that's done, good to go. Oh yeah, I had it in neutral. Forward lock.
Sure?
Yeah.
Nah, backwards is locked.
Okay, I had it wrong.
All right, get in and drive.
I don't know if the door will open when we get in there.
It'll open. Yeah, it will. You got plenty of room.
We're good to go.
That truck sits up. Oh, it popped off.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, well, all we gotta do is put a strap on the back.
Yeah?
Yeah. The winch is holding the front. Gotta strap the back down.
This thing's so freaking heavy.
It ain't going nowhere.
Woo, well, she's on. Hot. You gonna go over the bed?
Maybe that back suspension part? What you think? I mean, not suspension, that back hanger?
This?
Yeah, just hold it.
Yeah,
on.
that'll be fine. We got enough weight, it ain't going nowhere. Here.
No, we're gonna put this on that side. Let me put this on that side. Let me
Alright.
throw it to you. That worked well.
Man, you got what, 1 foot?
Can't throw it while you're standing on it.
Here, just to go over.
Yeah.
Just do this. Where's the end? Just do this. Right here, I got it.
Put it on that box right here.
I was trying to get
Like some
a back pull. I'm thinking I got in a better spot.
Oh man, you got dual exhaust.
Well, yeah, it's a V8.
Yeah.
I think that'll work.
Got it.
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna come in like this.
Yeah.
It's got a bite on it.
Alright, that'll be good.
Yeah.
That's plenty. Then we gotta put that gate on before we leave. His gate. But we did it. I told you this one would go quicker. This big old baby right here, good grief. Snap on. Tools of professionals. I think so. I don't know what the weight load limit of your trailer is, but I think we're at it.
Oh, you can handle it. It's let me say it's 12,000.
I need that thing to shut up. Quit barking at me.
See, that's what you get for being mean to the chicken.